Hello, in this video we'll be showing you how to navigate on the Nursery World e-resource. Now that you are signed in to access the resource, there are plenty of ways to find relevant articles to your studies and subjects ranging from early years to childhood studies. The primary way to find information is by using the main menu located at the top of the page. In the News section, you'll be provided articles in numerous topics such as child development, health and well-being, management, and safeguarding and child protection, to name but a few. In the Opinion section, you'll be provided with numerous viewpoints ranging from the Nursery World editor to numerous industry professionals. The Practice section provides you with numerous articles, guides, and resources in relation to a variety of subjects, ranging from child development to child behaviour to inclusion to early years curriculum to working with parents to learning environment and finally nutrition. The Activities section provides you with numerous articles, guides, and resources in relation to activities for children, ranging from outdoors, activities for children from birth to threes, as well as including a number of children's books to read. The Management section provides articles and resources in relation to management within childcare. And finally, in the Legislation section, this is where you will find a variety of policy guides in relation to childcare. So say, for example, you wish to read an article within the Legislation section, for example, Ofsted calls for stronger oversight of large providers. Just simply click on that link and then you can just read that article in full text format. In some cases within these articles in the Legislation section, there might be a report link provided at the bottom of the article. So for example, where it says Ofsted's report is available here, simply click on here and you'll be taken to the following page where if you scroll down and where it provides the document itself, just click on that and you can read that full report in full text format. If you wish to find an article in relation to child development, simply go into Practice and then click on the Child Development option in the Child Development section. And from the list of options available, for example, we'll just click on Essential Resources, Schemes Connecting, Following a Thread. You'll be taken to the following screen where again you can read that article in full text format.